What's up, my beautiful peoples, my lovelies, my dans? Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Today is May 24th, 2026. It's Sunday, guys. I'm trying African food for the very first time. I'm excited and I'm anticipating at the same time. Like, what is it gonna be like? But guys, I'm just here. Let me show you all this place. The aesthetic is so good. It's small, but it's nice. Aesthetic in the back, guys, is top tier. I like it. Nice, chill, cozy. Yeah, guys. Outfit check. Yeah. This is my little friend.
You can do from Oh, man.
Hello.
Oh, why you not on phone China? No, I want to come and sit here.
Guys, I am at an African restaurant. I'm trying African food for the first time.
Yeah, they took the other already. The other lady took.
Guys, we're currently leaving the African restaurant now. No, he's coming. We're currently leaving. Guys, let me tell you, I didn't eat anything. I was too scared. I only drink some soup, some curry goat soup. It's the first time I've ever heard of that curry goat soup. I should have even videoed it. Oh my god. Guys, bear with me. I'm still getting, I'm still trying to get familiar with this vlogging thing because I'm so used to living in the moment. But I drank some curry goat soup and I had some fries on the side, some sosa juice. But guys, I'm going somewhere else now because I have to get me my shrimp pasta. The aesthetic in here is top tier, guys. I ain't gonna lie about that. I walk with no comb to comb my bun.